Team, the Hawking Group. Our project is titled AquaPure Innovative Solutions for Safe and Sustainable Water. This study focuses on understanding water treatment processes and their vital role in ensuring safe, clean, and sustainable water for all. Our team members are myself, Minakshi Menon, my friend Jaita J. Prakash, Adin KM, Angelina Thomas, and Siddharth S. Nayan. Life, foundation of all Earth. However, rapid population growth, industrialization, and improper waste disposal have caused severe water pollution. Through effective treatment, we can remove dirt, harmful microorganisms, and chemicals to make every drop safe for use. Our mission. Our mission is to understand why water treatment is necessary, learn about purification, steps, and processes, study ways to improve water quality, and create awareness about conserving clean water. Let's talk about global crisis. Today, many people across the globe, especially in rural and industrial areas, still lack access to safe drinking water. Polluted water from factories, sewage, and agriculture poses a serious risk to public health. Health impact. Contaminated water is one of the main causes of diseases like cholera, typhoid, and diarrhea. Millions of people suffer each year, especially in areas where water treatment systems are inadequate. Now, the solution are to solve this problem, we must adopt efficient and affordable water treatment methods so that water is accessible to everyone.
Our research methodology. To complete our study, we followed a systematic approach. The first step was data collection. We gathered information from books, online sources, and by visiting local water treatment units. The second step was process study. We analyzed key purification steps like coagulation, sedimentation, and filtration. The third step was experimental model. We built a small-scale filtration model using sand, charcoal, and gravel. The fourth step was comparison and analysis. We compared treated and untreated water samples based on clarity, odor, and color. Next, we come to the 6 stages of water treatment. Water treatment mainly happens in 6 major stages. The first one is screening. It removes large debris, and then coagulation and flocculation bind fine particles into larger clumps. Sedimentation allows heavier materials to settle. Filtration eliminates remaining impurities. Disinfection kills harmful microorganisms using chlorine, ozone, or UV rays. Finally, distribution ensures the treated water reaches homes and industries safely. Our results were highly encouraging. The treated water appeared crystal clear with no unpleasant odor. Our filtration model efficiently removed dirt and suspended particles, showing a significant improvement in water quality and safety. Water treatment brings numerous benefits. It protects public health, safeguards the environment, supports economic growth, and promotes sustainability. However, challenges such as high setup cost, maintenance needs, and lack of technical expertise still exist, especially in rural areas. Clean water is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Proper treatment keeps people healthy and ecosystems balanced. Each one of us has a role in conserving water and ensuring the essential resource remains safe for future generations.